Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on another video review for the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. And this time we're going to install the support app for this wearable. Okay, so we have here the user manual. Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation of the support app, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So we have here the user manual and the smartwatch. Okay, so the steps installation of the support app is also available to other wearables with the same support app. Okay, so if you want to know the process on the installation of the support app, just check this video. Okay, so let's check what's the support app for this one. So where's the QR code? Okay, so we have here the QR code, very small user manual. This is, I guess, what I don't like about the IWO 68 Pro. They have a very hard to read user manual, very small. So it is using the RDFit app. Okay, we have here the QR code available in Android and iOS platform. Let's check. What if you happen to lose your user manual? Do we have it here in the smartwatch? So let's check. Let's try. So where's the QR code here? Okay. Okay, so we have the QR code linked to app. Okay, so we have here the QR code. Okay, or you can just search it. Okay, in the Google Play Store. So let's check and download. Let me adjust the screen display here. Okay, let's activate first the Bluetooth here as well as the GPS. Okay, so still the same process. You just want to make it much more simpler. Okay, so let's search. Where's our Google Play here? Okay, again, remember the name of the support app, RDFit. RDFit. Oh, RDFit. I think this one. Okay, so let's see. So we have the RDFit app, Shenzhen render communication. Okay, so we have the size here, 38 MB. Let's try if there are other support app with the name RDFit. Let's just make it sure. So we have another one here, okay, with 1K, and we have the 500K. Okay, so to make it sure, again, so there are two apps there. Okay, so what's the solution for this? I guess we have to scan the support app. Let me look for my QR code scanner here. Where's my QR code scanner? Okay, all you have to do is download if you don't have. Let's see. Okay, so we have the QR code scanner here. So let's check. Link to app. Okay, okay, it's not accessing. QR code copy text. Again, something's wrong with the QR code here. Oh, okay, so that is not the app. Okay, that is the QR code if you want to install, or if you already have installed the support app. Okay, and just want to link the smartwatch to the app. Okay, maybe that is the QR codes. So run the fit. So we have here the QR code. So it's in the different location. Okay, so go to website. Let's check. Let's see the icon here. Again, there are two QR codes in the smartwatch. The other one is linked to the app, and the other one is the QR code for downloading the support app. Okay, so the exact app for this one is the RDFit from Shenzhen render communication with a 500k downloads. Okay, so we have a mixed review here for the support app. So we have a very good app. Some say it's very good, the other one it's just okay. So let's install 38 MB only. So let's wait for the installation here. Again, just want to make it clear, we have at least two QR code here. This one is the link to the app if you want to connect your smartwatch to the installed application. Okay, want to reconnect it again to your support app. And the other one is the QR code for the app if you want to download the support app. Okay, if you still haven't downloaded the support app and you lost your user manual, you can use this QR code. Okay, so let's check. Installing, waiting. Okay, so I think we're done. Okay, it is just scanning our app. Okay, as you can see here, let's open the app. RDFit, remember the logo here. So agree to the terms and service. So permission, so it is asking for a permission. In order for you to use RDFit normally, you need the following permission: floating window permissions, okay, SMS permission, phone permission. Okay, next. So let's try. Okay, let's try this. Okay, display over other apps. Okay, I'm going to allow it this time. It's still loading. So just look for the app or the fit. Okay, it's here. Allow. Okay, then SMS if you want to receive notifications here. Please set the read and send SMS permissions to always allow to enable all functions and get better experience. Okay, so allow for permissions. Yes. Okay, seems like it's okay here. Okay, it's not yet activated. Again, let's go back for the instructions. Setting path management RDFit. Okay, so here it's okay now. Service SMS. Accept. Again. Okay, so and next. Allow. Okay, so this one SMS. Okay, we're going to check it later on. Already set it for the permissions, manage permissions. It's here. Okay, so here's the SMS. Okay, let's check if it's activated. Okay, so we're done with the permissions here, and that's it. So we have here the UI of the RDFit. We have exercise, sleep, step counter, blood pressure here, blood oxygen, body temperature, as well as the breath training. So here my device, this is the QR code here, the settings for your smartwatch, and we have here the on the bottom part the device. Okay, let's tap on it. So it's scanning for the device. Let's see. Watch 6. So what is the model of this one? Okay, is that our smartwatch C4B3? Okay, let's check. Let's go to the settings, go to the about section of your smartwatch, and as you can see here, we have, let's check, C4B319 ADC273. So the MAC address the same. Okay, so just tap on it and it is connecting to our device, syncing data, and data synchronization successful. So we are connected to the smartwatch. Okay, let's see if we have successfully connected our smartwatch to the support app. Okay, find device. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, it's working. Okay, so far we have a successful pairing of our smartwatch to the wearable. It says here it is watch 6, but in the shopping site, okay, several shopping site it is marketed as a series 7 smartwatch. Okay, we'll see. So there's a version of this IWO28 Pro Max. We'll see if that's the series 7 or not. Maybe it's just a marketing error, we don't know. But so far we do have here the different settings of the wearable. We also have here the heart rate, sleep, and the exercise. Let's see for this heart rate. No data. Okay, what else do we have here? For the personal information, you can also set it here. Settings, measurement, we also have it here. The device, we have Bluetooth call, you can turn it on here. Okay, you can set it up to activate your smartwatch to the Bluetooth call functionality. Heart rate monitoring, you can set it here. I think this is for the real-time monitoring or 24-hour heart rate monitoring. We have also the here on the bottom part the weather, notification functions. Okay, so again we have to set the permissions here, although we already set it, but still it's asking another permissions. Just allow it. Okay, so you can set it here: phone, SMS, okay, Twitter, Messenger. You can set it here: Facebook. Okay, enable background permission. We also have here the watch faces. We'll check it on our another video review for the IWO28 Pro. Okay, the process on installation of watch faces. Okay, so that's it. Okay, very easy steps on installing the RDFit support app to your IWO28 Pro smartwatch, as well as other smartwatches that uses the RDFit app. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, this is in the Android platform. Maybe next time we're going to show you the installation of the RDFit in the iOS, as well as the watch face section for the RDFit and the IWO28 Pro smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatch specifications. Goodbye.